I'm Tiger, and this is my sound yard. Are you curious about letters? Today we're going to learn about letters, and we're going to start with the letter T. This is T! Hey, that's me! I'm going to learn about details about T. The letter T as for tomato. Telephone. Tiger. Hey, that's me! And turtle. This is the letter T. Today, you learned T! I'm going to ask my friend, the chameleon, to teach you the letter R. Hi, chameleon! Hi, tiger! Are you curious about learning more letters? This is the letter R! I'm gonna learn the details about it. The letter R asks for rocket. Rooster, rocket, robot. I'm a robot. And roller skates. This is the letter R. Today you learned R. Yeah! I'm going to ask my friend the polar bear to teach you the letter S. Hi, polar bear. Hi, chameleon. Are you curious about learning more letters? This is S. I'm gonna learn the details. The letter S asks for snail, skunk, spider web, and a sheaf of rice. This is the letter S. Great job today! Can't wait to make more letters every week. Stay curious!